This is the video of ultrasonic bone surgery device DS-100. Next up is the loading demo. Attach the footrest bracket to the footrest hole position. Connect the plug of the foot switch to the foot socket. Notch alignment for insertion. Insert the output end of the power cord into the power socket of the device. Insert the 4-bottle holder into the hole at the back of the housing seat. Hang the 4-bottle on the holder. The injection is saline outsource. Connection between pump tube, infusion tube and handpiece. In the sterilization box, insert the small line of the pump tube connector into the water supply tube of hand keeps. Insert the larger end of the pump tube connector into the 4-bottle. Insert the plug of hand kicks into the socket on the main device. Note the alignment of the red dots during the installation. Open the pump door as wide as possible. Place the pump tube inside the middle of the impeller. Straightening the tube. Completely close the pump door. Pick up a tip from bone surgery tip bracket of the sterilization box. Screw the tip on handpiece with the limit wrench to tighten the bone surgery tip. It means ready when you hear the sound of click. Turn on the power. You can operate right away when it's on. Click on Bone Perioendo on the user interface. Carries out a mode switching. Adjust power and water volume. By clicking on the user interface, click Clean on the user interface. Under the cleaning functions, step on the foot pedal to start cleaning. The device at this time outputs water without making the handpiece output ultrasonic vibration. Under the cleaning function, in order to achieve the purpose of cleaning the waterway, pure water need to be applied instead of saline. The main button of the foot pedal controls the start and stop of the device. The P button adjusts the power level. The M button is to switch modes. The water drop button adjusts the water volume. Remove the connector from the 4-bottle. Put it in water or distill water. Drain the liquid out of the tube. Click Clean for cleaning function. Step on foot pedal. Start cleaning. Hold the pedal down for more than 20 seconds. Ensure that the liquid in the tube is drained. Take the pump tree out of the water after 20 seconds. Keep cleaning. Empty the water in the tree. After the cleaning operation is completed, remove cable and handpiece for sterilization. Rinse the handpiece with clean water. Remove the tip. Knob cap. Lighting board guide pillar. Use 70% to 80% ethanol as the sanitizing solution. Cleaning and sanitizing tip, knob cap, light board guide pillar. Aligning the notches of the light board guide pillar to the protruding part of handpiece for installation. Mounting knob caps. Place the handpiece and cable. Bone surgery tip and bone surgery tip holder. Torque wrench. Silicone handpiece holder in sterilizer box. 4 minutes of 134 degrees Celsius high temperature steam sterilization at 2.2 bar.